Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm back again with a new research article that is Advancements in Soft Robotics. In this research article, I will explain you actuation methods, materials and the wide-ranging applications of soft robotics. Soft robots are basically used in flower picking, fruit harvesting, healthcare sector, vivo targeted treatment, industrialization, radar communication and so on. Soft robots can also be used in actuating methods. Example, humidity, pH, temperature, pressure, electricity, magnetic field. Soft robots are made from flexible, deformable materials like silicone, elastomers and hydrogels, which functions similar to biological organisms. Because of their adaptability, they are widely used in emerging real-world applications. Clear? In packaging industries, soft robotic arms handle fragile. Fragile means the items which are very weak and can be easily broken, like pastries, eggs, etc. So we can use robotic soft robots in these industries. Soft robotic fish and octopuses explore oceans without disturbing marine ecosystem. It's very big advantage of soft robotics. Soft robots can also help workers in lifting heavy loads. Great. Soft robotic gloves help elderly people who can't do their work on their own. They can help grip objects or eat independently. Clear? So these are the wide ranging applications of soft robots and there are many more. Then we have abstract. The flexibility and the adaptability of soft robots, that means the soft robots are very flexible because they are made up of silicone material and they are adaptable to the environmental conditions. These properties can enable them to perform various tasks, like whatever the tasks are given to them according to the changing environments, like flower picking, in fruit harvesting, fruit recognition system, targeted treatment to pick food for the elderly people. So whatever tasks are given to them, they can perform those tasks very easily. Next we have these, but these conditions are very discrepant. So we have different working environments, we have different driving methods, but we need to understand the working principle of soft robots. So this paper has the summary of the research status of soft robots. So we have different actuating methods of soft robots like humidity, temperature, pH, pressure, magnetic field, light, biological, or the materials which are used in soft robots like hydrogels, because they function similar to human shape memory materials. And the application areas we will see in this research article: the actuation method, secondly we see the materials which are used in soft robots, and the application areas I told you: in medical field, industries, in agriculture, in healthcare sector, in electrical equipment, in grippers and so on. There are so many applications. Finally, there are some opinions provided on the technical difficulties, like whatever the difficulties are being faced by some researchers and the challenges, because the soft robots were not able to understand the varying temperature, varying pressure or varying environmental conditions. We can say they need to understand the soft robots and their applications in the respective fields, and in this way we can improve the quality of our lives. Clear? Next we have applications of soft robots. The representation is given here. There are so many applications of soft robots, like soft robots can be used in healthcare sector, medical field, agriculture and food industry like food handling, fruit picking, vegetable harvesting, search and rescue operations. We can use soft robots like disaster response or underwater, like I have told you that the octopuses or fishes are used as soft robots for ocean exploration. So this is the best example of soft robots. And assistive technology we can use for the benefit of elderly people. In industries we can use soft robots for helping the workers in handling the things, in lifting the things. And in military and defense we can use the search robots for hazardous material handling. In healthcare and medical field we can use soft robots for minimal invasive surgery. And for prosthetics we can use soft robots. Clear? Next we have introduction of soft robots. So the robots are used for the service of humans, means they are basically developed for serving human beings, and they can handle the complex or tedious, which are very hard work, like the lifting of heavy objects and placing the objects from one place to another. Like you see, the automation is there in industry, there are less number of people employed, and the robots, soft robots, are lifting the objects from one place to another. And for providing real-time information for feedback, these robots are composed of rigid materials. What are they? Are composed of rigid materials which are made up of metals and alloys. Next we have, with the development of science and technology, the industrial robot has outstanding achievements. They can be used in computer vision, imitation learning, and there are so many fields in science and technology. We can use in AI, in ML, machine learning, we can use soft robots. But the working environments are very different. So we need to improve, or we need to innovate the robots accordingly. Okay, whatever the conditions are there, whatever the varying environmental conditions are there, we have to build robot accordingly. Clear? And the robot should be friendly and interact with the users. Next we have the soft targets, or if the targets are very weak and the operating environments are very harsh, so the applications of these robots are limited for these conditions. Okay, because they are not adaptable to these harsh conditional environments. So because of the flexibility and the adaptation, research on soft robots is going on rapidly in the furthermore years. According to the environmental conditions, we have to change the robots. So this is the factor we have. Challenging condition, we can say, we have. Next we have integrated actuation and sensing towards intelligent soft robots. So this is the intelligent soft robots conditions, like in the left we have multimodal actuation conditions, and in the right we have hybrid sensing. So this is the integration of actuation and sensing. Like for actuation also soft robots are used, and for sensing the environmental conditions also we have used soft robots. For actuation there are different kinds: pressure actuation, electric actuations, external stimulus actuation, passive deformation, hybrid actuations. And for sensing we have capacitive sensors, piezoelectric sensors, magnetic sensors, optical sensors, and there are different kinds of other resistive sensors also. We can use soft robots in these intelligent and integrated actuation and sensing purposes. Clear? Next we have soft robotics. So soft robots composed of materials which are those of soft organisms like fat, cartilage or skin, and which are ranging from 10 is to power 4 up to 10 is to power 9 pascals, such as like gels, I have told you, microgels, or polymers are generally used in making soft robots, or other kind of flexible materials like which are like to humans. Generally soft robots have very different kind of properties, and they have different kinds of degrees of freedom. Next, So the soft robots possess different kinds of biomedical applications. I told you in previously that soft robots are used in healthcare sector also. So soft robots possess great promise, means it can be widely used in biomedical applications like bionic movements. We have to grasp, crawl, swim, jump in oceans. In surgery, soft robots can be used in camouflage. Soft robots can be used for electronic devices. Soft robots can be used. So there are wide range of applications of soft robots. Moreover, the soft robots can also be used in hazardous and unstable environments. Like I have told you that soft robots are used in defense sector. So these are hazardous conditions and soft robots can be used there. So these and for locomotion also on uneven terrain and toxic environment, soft robots can be used. Next we have soft robots have achieved some success in biomedical applications, especially in healthcare sector. Soft robots are generally used and they have gained success also. And soft grippers, soft electrical devices, but still these robots are used in varying of applications. Still there are so many challenges according to the varying environmental conditions. So if we compare the traditional rigid robots, which are made up of alloys and metals, these soft robots are made up of gels and fat, cartilage and skin of humans or animals. Many common parts directly. Soft robots have few generalized components. Clear? Next we have, so there are many more points for soft robotics. So in addition to the specificity of the structure and motion of soft robots, there are so many requirements for the actuators, because the soft robots are flexible. They can deform on their own according to the varying environmental condition. They can consume energy too. So there are different kinds of requirements of soft robots according to the changing environment. Next we have soft robots exist, so they either focus on the used materials like hydrogel or the driving method like magnetic actuation, because or conduct analysis, and these analyses are based on the fabrication process. Next we have, in this paper I'll tell you that the soft robots used, their materials and the applications which are not mentioned in the previous review studies. So this research paper is the novel research paper which has different kinds of actuation methods, and the actuation methods I'll tell you about the 10 kinds of actuation methods, their characteristics and their common applications. I told you the and electrical devices, multimodal locomotion nodes, camouflage industries, satellite communication in defense sector, healthcare sector. So we will discuss its advantages as well as disadvantages. Clear? I hope you got this topic, and tomorrow I will be back with some more advancements in the soft robotics. I will prepare one more video on soft robotics. Till then, stay tuned to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.